Ready to unlock the power of your email communications data? Let's explore Eloquent Statistics, your window into email communication patterns and workflow effectiveness. Begin in the left-hand menu. Select Statistics to reveal your data command center, where every email interaction transforms into actionable insights. Watch as Eloquens intelligently categorizes your incoming messages. See positive feedback sparkle in success metrics. Track support requests for resource planning. Monitor general inquiries for content optimization. These classifications reveal patterns that can shape your communication strategy. Discover how your workflows handle email distribution. Track handoffs between teams, measure departmental engagement, and identify optimization opportunities. Look for patterns in routing to streamline your team's collaboration. Make this dashboard truly yours. Click the Properties button to personalize your view. Drag and drop columns for the perfect layout. Hide or show metrics based on your priorities? Let me share a pro tip. Start with essential metrics, then expand as needed. Let's explore your data stories. Tap the eye icon for rich workflow insights. You can search with the subject line or apply smart filters to focus your analysis. All replies matching the filter will show. From here, you can jump directly to conversations for more context.